India is a land of beliefs. Beliefs that are deeply rooted in our culture and spirit. One such belief is the star sign. According to Vedic astrology, stars and planets have a powerful influence on our lives. I personally think that astro world has a lot of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Hi, I'm Navneet Suri, founder of Neve Motorcycles. Working on the newly launched Super Meteor from Royal Enfield has been our dream. With the 650cc twin engine and dollops of torque, this charismatic cruiser is made for the longest rides. Super Meteor build was challenging for us, as it's difficult to think what you can possibly do to an already beautiful motorcycle. We are surrounded with the vastness and mysteries of the universe, and that's what we wanted to present in this bike. The question was, how? We thought, why not use the wheels this time as our canvas to carve this cosmic beauty? So we made the front wheel on CNC, painted it pitch black, and decided to carve all the zodiac signs on it. We made sure that everything on the bike is hand-built, from the tank to the fenders. In the Super Meteor, you will find two exhausts on both the sides. For this, we did something different. We are using dark theme on the paint, combination of satin grey and black. The realization of our vision and labor came to us when we took this beauty on road. In that moment, we felt the aura of this beauty that we have created. Nakshatra.